Real-life application of ambiguous case of triangles. I chose problem 101. The lid of a grand piano is popped open by a supporting arm as shown in the diagram below. Carson knows that the supporting arm is 2 feet long and makes a 60-degree angle with the piano. He also knows that the piano lid makes a 23-degree angle with the piano. How wide is the piano? So for this problem, I started off by drawing out my diagram and figuring out what pieces of information I already know, and realized that I do have 3 pieces of information, so this is a solvable problem. We know that angle A is 23 degrees and angle C is 60 degrees, as well as that the side BC is 2 feet. And through the information on 2 angles, we could find the third one. So I found that the sum of the first 2 angles is 83, and I subtracted this from 180, which got me 97. Well, I started thinking of which law I should use, and I decided that the law of sine would be more suitable because we have an angle and the side opposite to that angle, and therefore we could use law of sine. So for law of sine, I started off by writing, since we know that we're going to use sine B over sine AC equals sine A over BC. And when I applied my numbers, I found sine 97 over AC, which is the unknown side, equals sine of 23 over 2, which we do know these things. This is the angle and the side opposite to that angle, 23 and 2 feet. Well, I started to calculate, and I got sine of 97 equals sine of 23 over 2 times AC. And then when I simplified this, I got AC equals sine of 97 divided by sine of 23 divided by 2 in order to get AC alone on one side, which we've successfully done. Well, now the last step was to find what, on my calculator here you'll see, what sine 23 over 2 is when divided by sine of 97, and this should get us side AC. And I already knew going from the start that this side would be larger than 2 feet, which helped me also with my calculation to know if it's accurate, because if 97 is greater than 23, then this side is going to be more than 2 feet, because angle A is smaller than angle B, therefore side AC has to be larger than side BC. And I figured out that AC equals 5.08046, which when simplified is AC equals 5.08 feet, which is how wide the piano is.